So hey guys, what's up and welcome back to Go Guzzle Okay guys, enough. I'm very happy and excited today because I am in Cape Town, South Africa. And can you believe this? Can you damn believe this? In 12 years, it's my first visit to this place. And this place is known as heaven because it is a proper mixture of the travel spots, the nature, and also historical spots. And today, so basically, we had booked a tour today and we had to choose between Table Mountain, Cape of Good Hopes. तो हमने कहा आज हमारा डे ऑफ है तो हम दोनों कर लेते हैं. So basically, I am going to take you out on a tour today with me to cover all the grand spots of Cape Town and कोशिश करेंगे सब कुछ कंज्यूम करें विद इन अ स्पैन ऑफ अ डे टुडे एंड आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड. एक्चुअली नॉट लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर कमिंग आउट टुडे बिकॉज दे हैव ऑलरेडी बिन टू दिस प्लेस बट इट्स माई फर्स्ट टाइम सो आई डोंट केयर. आई हैव माई मलेशियन फ्रेंड, शी इज जॉइनिंग मी एंड वन मोर फ्रेंड फ्रॉम ट्यूनीशिया, सो शी इज जॉइनिंग इन एंड लेट्स गो एंड हैव फन. आई एम एक्साइटेड. ये वो वाली खुशी हो रही है जो मेरे को एविएशन ज्वाइन करने के बाद हुई थी व्हेन आई गॉट सिलेक्टेड इन जेट एयरवेज. ऐसी वाली खुशी हो रही है. आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड. Let's go and travel hunt begins now.
All right, guys. So we are at what was that? Museumberg, which I heard as Annabelle. And there's a beautiful. This girl is so pretty, guys. Malaysia, truly Asia. All right. So here, apparently, it has white sharks in it, and people are still surfing. What is this behavior, Pooja? So yeah, I mean, I don't know why, but then it's beautiful. We have got a mountain view over here, and then there is ocean here, there's a cathedral here, and we are walking towards it. Let me show you the proper view of it. So guys, Cape Town is the southernmost tip of South Africa, and you would see also a place I'm going to take you all, wherein you will see two oceans meeting up, Indian Ocean and Atlantic. But this is not the place. It's like Sangam in Allahabad. I mean Prayagraj now. But I am so excited to see that part. There's so many spots to cover and I love the view. Love the view. Look at this. And mountain and ocean together opposite to each other. What else you're looking for in life? This girl, she literally pulled herself up to sit here. My God. And not putting her leg on the other side, on an opposite side. Khatron ke khiladi, fear factor for real. Seriously. As we were walking here, I realized that they have put some historical things which has happened at this particular beach, and it is known for its coral reefs, etc. But also it's very dangerous at the same time. I don't know how people are bathing in it. But so you got some collage over here talking about the history of the beach during the British time, etc. And then we have got some handicraft items over here, and yeah, the view over and all is amazing. But then now we're making our move to another place. Let's have fun. Venus.
She was like, yeah. And the next minute she just falls over, boom.
Oh gosh, he's telling us some cruise story that when they come, how they party when they're on the way.
So we get to the hotel.
So
we have to get a wheelchair for.
What?
So we like, you know, when someone is done,
Party safe, guys. What is this?
You heavy when you like, you know what I'm saying?
Oh god.
So we like 3-4 guys trying to pick her up and put her into the wheelchair and she's throwing up. Oh my god.
Oh god. See, this is what we don't want today, because if I vomit, it will be Yasmin's lap.
Get her into the wheelchair. And now we put the
Party. Penguins are waiting for us. I've got 2 penguins with me already over here. Oh, we have got souvenir penguins. So cute, yeah. They've got lot of handmade items over here. Actually, Africa is in general famous for all this. And look at this. Maybe we will see it on the way back. For now, I'm just going to pee time. Let's go pee. Cape Town got my heart, guys. The washroom was super clean. Not just clean, Monica clean. Like that clean. So it's good, and now we're proceeding to watch the penguins after some discussions he's telling us and briefing us. Yes, so we are getting an entry over here. This is the place, how it looks like. While we're just recording ourselves, and it's a beautiful view, but a little crowded with the tourist guys. And the way to go to the penguins is not very, so you should be okay. Little bit of walking, sneakers is something which I would suggest you wear. But yeah, it's a combination of mountain and beaches, so you need keep figuring out sandals or sneakers. But then my suggestion, carry a jacket, carry a chappals, because this is how you're going to make your way in Africa. Everything is all together, and I'm hell excited. It's going to be my first time ever experience to see the penguins, and if gotten an opportunity to touch them as well, let's see. As Yasmin said, it's black and white. Here we go. Oh god, why are they not standing up? Wait. Oh yeah, so cute. Oh yeah, they're walking. The whole childhood of mine has been gone and watching this cartoon called Pingu. Me and my sister, हम लोग इतना देखते थे ये वाला cartoon, and then seeing them together. Pingu, Pingu, Pingy, Pingy, come here, Pingy. Look like a soft ones, like a soft toy. They're not moving. They're not scared. Oh my, they're right here. Where is the next destination?
People good out. So you guys are going inside to the park, right?
Okay. Yeah, we're
Go down
okay.
to the beach now.
Let's go. Bitches to the beach. Guys, I was so mesmerized. I couldn't even record. Look at the view. And as per mentioning that usually on this rock tops you get the penguin view towards the evening as well, but again it depends on your luck. With our luck, you know how lucky am I. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe so that I can be little more luckier. All right, that doesn't cost you anything, but it makes me go crazy to create more such content for you. And if you have not followed me on Instagram, you got to do that as well. Kazakhstan vlog is doing so well because of you all, and that's why here I am recording Cape Town for you. I hope you enjoy the view. Lucky, there is a penguin on the beach. Okay, wait, I'll show you. See? Yes, there is a penguin. This one, the one over here. Oh, I'm happy to see them hanging out there. Nice. Lot of photo session has been done, including me. तो please जाके Instagram पे follow नहीं किया तो कर लो यार. तुम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे मिन्नतें कराते हो, कर लो. इतनी मुश्किल से videos बनाते हैं, मज़े करते हैं. But आपको entertain करना मेरा ऐसा लगता है मुझे मेरा फ़र्ज़ है. So we are heading to our next spot now, which is the Cape of Good Hopes, and this is all on the way. And I'm so happy to have Wayne also in the vlog because he is assisting us with everything. So I will put his details in the link, and if you're willing to go out in Cape Town, I would suggest Wayne is here. He will help you with every damn thing, so you don't have to worry much while you're traveling in Cape Town. Look at the amount of seaweeds we have over here, including the ones over here. Actually, this is the one what we eat. It comes from the ocean. It got spoiled for me for life. अब अगली बार कभी भी मैं seaweed देखूंगी तो मेरे को ऐसा लगेगा कि मैं ये खा रही हूँ. पता नहीं, नहीं देखना चाहिए था मुझे. गलती हो गई मुझसे, पता है. Guys, साउथ अफ्रीका में आके समोसा, वो भी आलू वाला. It's amazing. We just got down for some snacks. भूख भी लग रही थी and we thought कि जल्दी भी खा के फिर पहुंचेंगे. अभी 25 मिनट पड़े हैं, तो let's enjoy samosa. You liked it, babe? It was good. It's nice. Okay guys, it's too damn windy and look at this. and we all are wearing our jackets now because now we are going to head at the top of the mountain. It's called the Cape of Good Hopes, and currently we are buying the ticket to get onto the tram, because either you choose to have 1.5 hours of walk or you choose to have a tram. So we're taking a tram to save on to some time. And then yeah, these are the ticket prices which I will mention down over here in dollars. पता नहीं यहाँ पे क्या कार्ड की प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, कार्ड नहीं चल रहा है, तो हम लोग दोबारा से डिफरेंट कार्ड्स ट्राई कर रहे हैं, एंड वी आर ट्राइंग टू बाय कमिंग बैक टिकट ऑल्सो, ताकि it's not actually expensive, and plus we want to save some time for different location as well. तो जल्दी से चलते हैं. I hope चल जाए कार्ड यार. It worked, babe? What is this behavior? हम लोग वहाँ पे खड़े हैं ये सोच के कि वो लोग क्यू में खड़े हैं, but actually the queue was here और वहाँ पे कुछ है ही नहीं, तो हम उनके पीछे से बस झंड मरा के खड़े हुए हैं. And finally now अब यहाँ से क्यू है और हमें फटाफट ट्राम मिलेगी और हम ऊपर भागेंगे जल्दी से. Time to head to the Cape Point, and this is a tram we are entering now. You will love me for this breathtaking view. The moment we stepped out of the tram, this is where the door opens up. Look at this, and it is so beautiful, and everything is flying away. Here we go, and it's a perfect blend of mountain and ocean, and it's so pretty. My phone is also shaking because of this. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि शायद मुझे पहना तो अच्छा है मैंने because of pictures and everything, but it's too cold and I've got my jackets here already. तो सब उड़ रहा है भाई, सब उड़ रहा है, उड़ के कर चला, उड़ के छोड़ा. But ये लड़की को देखो, white top से सीधा black shrug में आ गई है, and I have also worn my shrug, and now we have to climb up to the Cape Point. This is the point we're going to climb up to. So let's go. What the hell happened? My bag was fucking right here, this place, and it was about to fly, really twisted over. Oh god, we screamed the lungs out, man. The picture we were trying to take would have been the most expensive picture ever. I swear. Okay, finally. Thank you God, thank you universe. It's too much wind, guys. We are not able to like, the view is so incredible, but the way we have to take a picture, it's impossible practically, to be honest to you. Look at that, guys. It looks like there when we. Oh, what is this? This is somebody's poop. Whose poop is this? Huh? Penguin? You penguin obsessed woman. Okay, yeah, let's go. We are climbing onto the cliff. We cannot hold our phone also. It's so windy. Thankfully, we are carrying our shrugs and jackets. Guys, please bring your damn clutcher. You see? Very important. It's very scary because we were just standing, we felt like we're gonna fall. Look at this view. Pretty, but can't click pictures, guys. Like, what the hell? QR crew. Only horizon is not the horizon which we hold all the time. It's also the horizon where the sky and the ocean meet, right? By the way, where is that? Where Indian Ocean and Atlantic? I think from top he said you will see a proper. Acha, not yet. Okay. The most dramatic experience we had today was our hair. We felt like our scalp is gonna be empty and our hair is gonna fly away. Shit, what is this birthday cake journey? My god, the wind is so strong, and yet we are trying our best. Hoega, karne se hoga. And this is a ladder to success. I'm upon. We're just looking for the proper place where we can actually click nice picture, but the wind, mashallah. Your life is in my hand. If we fly away from this cliff, we're gonna use my dress and jacket as a parachute. God, people are asking her to click pictures. I'm like, she will fly away with your phone. She is literally shivering and struggling to stay stable. And look at this. This is true story, guys. Vlogger life not easy. Not easy. Parachute you have to wear to protect your friends. 3. Okay. Okay. Stable. Before my amplifiers fly away. Exposed forcibly. But because the nature wanted to take revenge.
Look at the view.
Look at this. It's like your entire hair flew. Oh god. Babe, let's go. Let's not waste time. Let's go. Go down and take nice pictures. How? don't risk your life. Don't risk your life. So that's the thing. I'm wondering how come we are screaming our lungs out and nobody else is saying anything.
No response.
No response. Literally. I'm okay. I clear. You clear. Guys, it's too windy. It's crazy, and now finally we are going towards a different way because we couldn't click that level of pictures. Yeah, exactly. 50 kg is not enough. 60 kg is not enough. I don't know how many kgs you need. Oh God. And we got a souvenir also away from the wind, breathable. We fixed our hair. My God, it was all gone. It was traumatizing, guys. To be honest, just like tie bun if you're coming in here, and don't damn wear a dress, else you will expose everything. Let's go. She's still not satisfied with the pictures because we couldn't click a lot for sure, so we're trying to figure out and make some use of the time to click more pictures. So chalo jaldi. Yes babe,
It's making me hopeless.
Guys, we spotted an ostrich on the way. Wait, I will show you. I'm getting down. But the winds, I am just doing all this for your winds, facing all the trouble. And for you, subscribers, really. We always spot dogs, cats,
right guys, I mean the wind is shaking me enough, but then I had to show you this beautiful view. We are still in the Cape of, and look at this. It's a perfect blend of ocean and mountain and some photo session going on over here. And look at this. This talks about the history of this place. And guys, we are touching the southern tip, and actually this is a place where you get to see this side, the Indian Ocean blending with Atlantics, and it's damn beautiful. You can see the color change as well, but due to the wind we are not able to go towards closer to that area. But yeah, can you imagine the blend? It's perfect. What did you say about them?
They're already up there.
No, what did you say about them?
They don't know how to
Okay guys, we are going to climb up here, and this is your perfect view. Wind! And here it started yet again, the battle with the wind. I swear. Is the view from here. मैंने अपनी literally जान खतरे में डाल के आपके लिए ये सारे recording है. मुझे कुछ दिख भी नहीं रहा है इसमें, but beautiful view. Here we go. Damn. And then we have a lovebird. She's shaking, and we are not giving up on recording. So whatever. We're climbing more up. Come, babe, make me proud. Come. Whole Malaysia is proud of you. Come. Let's go. Oh wow, this is a yaar, everything is flying away, man. What is this behavior? Is पूरी dress vest की माँ बहन हो चुकी है, literally. Nice wind, very nice. Keep posing. Yay! Guys, this is the guy you contact for tour, okay? The link is in the description. Entertainment for free. No entertainment fees anymore. हम लोग इतनी मेहनत करते हैं इंस्टाग्राम के लिए. प्लीज फटे हाल में फोटो खिंचाते हैं, लेकिन प्लीज जाके इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो कर लो. प्लीज कर लो. Wayne, just say please follow. Wayne, just say please follow. Please follow and subscribe. And I'm removing my gun. You talk like I'm putting a gun point on you. What is this? Just say she's good. What is this? I'm not giving you any script. Because of peeing, I had enough of it, man. The whole Cape, she was doing the same. Okay, guys. So the Christmas is around the corner, and they have this small handicraft shop. So in order to just extend some support and spread happiness, I bought a Christmas tree face, and it come this. Show here. See, this is how beautifully it's done, and I'm going to buy it from him, and he's fixing a separate bell for me. So yay! Merry Christmas, by the way. Thank you.
We saw some building also fallen, so cable car is not temporarily working and it's closed because it's not safe. So we decided that we'll climb up. I'm just
Okay, and I don't know the next destination. Is it the end of the trip? Let me ask him. Ask him, no?
Alright guys, so as I told you, the concerns about the safety, we are not able to climb up, and I'm trying to cover a lot of things at the same time, and the photo session is never ending. Look at this girl, and the sandwich is never getting over for this hashtag couple goals. If you did like this video, I really broke my sweat and blood for you guys to create this content. Please make sure that you like, comment, share and subscribe, and I love you all and you love me too. It's just that you can only show your love by subscribing to my channel, so do subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, podcast, a lot of things are coming up. Have fun. Bye. See you.